Hello students, welcome to 7th maths class. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, indices. First concept from this chapter is base and index. These concepts are related to multiplication. If same number is multiplied several times, then it can be written in base and index form. For example, we will see here 2 is multiplied 7 times. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means same number 2 is multiplied 7 times. This can be written shortly as 2 and on that 7. So this is the index form of this multiplication, and this is read as 2 raised to the power 7. So we can express multiplication of a number by itself. The number should be same, then only we can express it shortly as in the form of index like this. So here this indicates that 2 is multiplied by itself 7 times. So in this form 2 means which is at downside, that is nothing but base, and which is or the number which is written on its head, that is called index or exponent. So out of these two numbers, which is at the bottom is called base, and on that base whatever number is written, it's called index. This form is read as 2 raised to the power 7. Consider another example. 5 is multiplied by 5 only. How many times? Just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this multiplication write in the index form. How to write that? Here who is repeated 6 times? 5 is repeated 6 times. Means 5 will be base, and how many times it is repeated, that we will write on its head. So it's written as 5 raised to 6. So in this number 5 is base and 6 is index. 5 raised to 6 means it indirectly indicates that 5 is multiplied by itself 6 times, and this is read as 5 raised to the power 6. So generally if a is any number, and if this a is multiplied by itself for m times, then it can be written as a raised to m, and it is read as a raised to the power m. So this is base and this is index. For this index form of number, questions may be asked like this: find the value of 5 raised to 4. As it is 5 raised to 4, what it indicates? Here 5 is base, 4 is index, and also it indicates that 5 is multiplied by itself 4 times. So in multiplication form, the multiplication form of this will be this one. 5 is multiplied 4 times. So just we will find this value. 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 5 is 125, and 125 into 5 is 625. So the value of 5 raised to 4 is 625. See next example. Find the value of minus 2 by 3. This whole raised to 3. As here index is 3, it indicates that this number, whatever is base, that is repeated 3 times. So what is base here? This whole number in the form of numerator denominator. This is base and this is index. So this number 3 times we will write in multiplication form. Minus 2 by 3, into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. As it is in numerator denominator form, how we are doing multiplication of rational numbers? All the numerators multiplication and all the denominators multiplication. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 will be in numerator, and in denominator 3 into 3 into 3. So minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. And in denominator 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 into 3 is 27. So the answer for, or the value of this will be minus 8 divided by 27. Here is one important note related to index of numbers. The first power of any number is that number itself. For example, 7 raised to 1 means 7's first power is always that number itself, means 7 itself. Minus 4 raised to 1 is equal to minus 4 only. 10 raised to 1, its answer will be 10 only. Minus 7 raised to 1, its answer will be minus 7 will be. But if the index or power is 1, the convention is to write not to write it. For example, 7, whenever simply we are writing 7, it indicates that 1 is present on its head as index, that is 7 raised to 1, but we are not writing this 1. Whenever index is 1, we are not writing it. For example, simply the number is written minus 10. It also indicates that its power is 1. So whenever index is 1, it's a convention that we are not writing it. So now we will move towards practice set 26. Here is one table and we have to fill that blanks. First is indices, base, index, multiplication form and its value. So first example is 3 raised to 4. So here who is at base? 3. So its base will be 3, and on head whatever is number, that will be index 4. Multiplication form. So here simply 3 is repeated 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is the multiplication form. And value means simply multiply this and find the answer. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. And 27 into 3 is 81. Second is 16 raised to 3. Here base will be 16 and raised number is 3. So it's an index. Multiplication form will be 16 is repeated 3 times. So 16 into 16 into 16. 16 into 16 is 256. 256 into 16 is 4096. Now here what they have given, base they have given as minus 8 and index is given as 2. Means what it indicates, minus 8 is repeated 2 times. So how to write that in the form of index? Base is minus 8, so write at the base raised to 2. Now multiplication form. Minus 8 is repeated 2 times. Means minus 8 into minus 8. So value will be 8 into 8 is 64. Minus minus gets cancelled. So next is just a multiplication form is given. 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 3 by 7. This number is repeated 4 times. Means index form will be 3 by 7 will be base and it's repeated 4 times, means it will be index. So now base is 3 by 7 and index is 4. So this is rational number because it is in the form of numerator denominator. So how we are doing multiplication of rational numbers? In last chapter we have learned multiplication of numerators and multiplication of denominators. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that will be 81, and 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, that will be 2401. Last example is minus 13 raised to 4. Means minus 13 along with sign only we have to consider that. Minus 13 is repeated 4 times. So multiplication form will be minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13. base is minus 13, along with sign is we have to take. So as minus 13 is repeated 4 times, index is 4. So its value will be 13 into 13, 169, into 13, into 13. Find that value and write here. This will be homework. Second question from practice set is find the value. Out of that, one I have chosen as 2 raised to 10. So it indicates that 2 is multiplied 10 times. 2 into 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 2. 2 is repeated 10 times. Find this value. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Like this continue. Last answer will be 1024. Next question is minus 7 raised to 4. It indicates that minus 7 is repeated 4 times. So 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Answer will be 2401. Next question is minus 1 divided by 2 whole raised to 4. Means this is the base and this is the index. So minus 1 by 2 is repeated 4 times. As it is rational number, multiplication of numerator and multiplication of denominator separately we have to do. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 whole divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16. So answer will be 1 by 16. So from practice set this 26 remaining questions from question number 2 will be homework. Solve that questions in your notebook along with these solved examples.